In this video, we're unboxing a new generator that I just got, portable generator. And of course I have a diesel generator here at the house, but I bought this one for camping use. Something I can throw in the bus or the van or the pickup truck and use when I go camping to run whatever, recharge some deep cycle batteries for a trolling motor, or for lights, or run an air conditioner in the heat of the summer, which is mandatory pretty much if you're going to camp around here in the summer. So it's also, of course, a generator that I can throw in the truck and take to wherever I need it, which I can't really do with the diesel generator. So I bought this from Amazon.com, and I'm going to put a link down at the bottom so you can buy one of these if you like. And what it is, it's similar to the Harbor Freight 4,000 watt generators, but it's 3,250 watts. And it uses actually I think this uses the 196cc version of the engine, where the 4,000 watt version that Harbor Freight sells, that, they have coupons for $300, and it uses the 212cc version of the same engine. It's the same basic block and everything. So this one is more lightly stressed, given that it's the same engine. So it's also probably going to use a little less fuel. And it's rated at 3,250 watts. Now that's a maximum rating, as is the 4,000 watt version. 4,000 watts is not continuous, it's surge. This is 3,250 surge, 2,500 continuous. So this one is sold by Steel Products, and it has a 2-year warranty. It's also quite a bit cheaper than the Harbor Freight version, because even with a coupon, because like I said, Harbor Freight sells the 4,000 watt version for $300. Then you got to pay sales taxes on top of that. This, on the other hand, I got this for, I think it was $229, and that's free shipping and no sales tax. So that's pretty good if you can get by with only 2,500 watts continuous instead of, I think it's 3,200 watts continuous on the Harbor Freight version. So that's not much difference, and this is still enough to operate an air conditioner. Now I don't think that this one has 240 volt outlet. So if you need that, you'll need to go with a slightly larger one. But if you can deal with just 110, then this will be fine. And a plus on this one that the Harbor Freight generator doesn't have is it actually has a 12 volt DC outlet for battery charging. So that's kind of a good thing, especially for camping. Alright. There, in fact, is the 12 volt power cord. Comes with a couple of 110 connectors, a 12 volt power cord, and spark plug wrench, and of course the manual, warranty card, and so on. I guarantee, I can't prove it right now, but I'm pretty sure that it's only a 90-day warranty, if that, on the Harbor Freight generator. So, like I said, if you can get by with a slightly reduced power, which I can, this is a much, much better deal than the Harbor Freight generator. Tell you what, turn it up on its side and pull it out. So continuing with the unboxing of the generator, here are the specs. 196cc overhead valve engine, runs 8 hours at half load. I think that's probably 2 gallons, I don't remember for sure. 68 dB noise output. Peak power 3250, 3250 watts. Rated power 2500 watts. AC rated current 20.8 amps at 120 volts. DC rated current 8.3 amps. Of course that'll be at 12 volts. Okay, fuel tank 4 gallons. And of course it's recoil start only, it doesn't have electric start. Certainly not at this price. Okay, 8.3 amps at 12 volts, so that's a good charging voltage. Runs 8 hours at half load. And in my experience running generators, even living off-grid with them, if you've sized it properly at all, you're going to run at about half load most of the time, average. So 8 hours, 4 gallons in 8 hours is 2 gallons per hour. Wait a minute, that doesn't sound right. 4 gallons in 8 hours. Yeah, that's right. No, half gallon per hour. Where's my brain today? A half gallon per hour at half load. That's not too bad. Okay. And sure enough, we can see here that it has 2 120 volt outlets, no 240s. Okay, and it's got the DC output here, DC 12 volts at 8.3 amps. DC circuit breaker, AC circuit breaker. And it says, I saw something here. Here we go. Warning, this product, blah blah blah, is known to the state of California to cause death and dismemberment and all sorts of horrible things. You know, I've noticed that anything that helps you to increase your self-sufficiency is known to the state of California to be horrible. So, therefore, I never use anything that has that sticker on it. Oh, well, usually because I pull the sticker off before I use it. So there it is. And we're going to do some testing on it soon, of course. Test how much fuel it actually uses, how well it runs air conditioners and various other loads. And of course I'll probably do those tests by actually taking it camping. So there it is, folks. Watch for more. And oh, if you want one, buy one from my link down here in the information section. So this will be the first start ever of the new generator, if it starts. I didn't have much gas, less than a gallon, maybe a half gallon, but I put what I had in it. It had a small amount of oil in it, slightly dirty oil. Apparently what was left from, they apparently test ran it, because it obviously had been run once I drained it out and looked at it. So I drained it and put some fresh oil in it, and there's an unplugged wire. Wonder what the deal is there. Okay, choke. There's the choke. Alright, let's try it. Wait a minute. Gotta turn it on. Okay, I'm going to get something to plug into it. Okay, as you saw, it started with the first pull once I remembered to turn the switch on. So, I really shouldn't do this in the rain. It's sprinkling a little bit out here, but we're going to do it anyway. We should be able to tell by the change in the sound if it actually is producing power. Yes, it is. That should have been about a 50% load. All right, let's shut it down. That's enough for right now. We've determined that it does run and produce power.